Today I'm talking about how to get YouTube approval in just 3 hours or even less. You've completed the 2 steps and you're stuck in the last step, which is the third one, and it's about 2 weeks you've not gotten any response from YouTube. So just follow this procedure in this video and get your YouTube channel approved and accepted into the YouTube partnership program in just 3 hours or even something lesser than that. Take note that the actual waiting time is 1 month. So if you are still waiting within this 1 month and you're not getting any feedback, you should be aware that YouTube is still reviewing your channel to get it monetized. So there is no need to worry. But then this video will teach you a way to get yourself approved in a very fast way. So quickly go to your YouTube studio and change the duration from last 28 days to last 365 days. So as you can see, I'm doing change the duration to last 365 days because that is the duration YouTube will consider the watch hours to be in. So you can see my watch hours is above 4K, and then the subscribers also above 1K subscribers. So from there you click on feedback, send feedback. Just look at the mouse pointer. So when you click on that, you type in some text. Yes, you give them a feedback. So this is the text sample you need to copy. Make sure the text, you don't include anything like something with an angry tonation or something like that. You need to talk politely to the YouTube team, or else you might find your channel rejected. So this is just a text sample you need to copy. So after typing this text, I'll zoom in so you can pause the video and copy or retype this text into the feedback section. So I'm done with the typing. So as I said earlier, just pause the video and then recopy or copy this text into the feedback section. So this is what the text says. I recently met the requirements for the YouTube partner program. I have over 4,000 watch hours of watch time and over 100 subscribers. I applied on the 25th of July 2020 and the application has been in review for over a week. So you can see how politely I'm speaking to the team. There is no need for you to be angry over this issue. As I said, if you type anything with anger or anything expressing anger, you might find your channel rejected. So as it's so this is a continuation. I'm just checking to see if there is anything additional you need from me for the review. So this is an attached file. Okay, so let's continue from there. So you click on this button here. Now this button here allows you to highlight some section of the it's not actually necessary, but just to highlight the watch hours, the subscribers, and some other things, so YouTube can watch them carefully and then grant your approval for you. So you highlight the last thing as well. You can also highlight your channel's name. So if you're done highlighting these 4 things, you just have to click on done. So these are the 4 things you can highlight: your watch hours, subscribers, the last 365 days, and also your channel's name. So when you're done, you click on done, and then you click on send. When the screenshots have loaded fully, you click on send. For me, I've been monetized already, so there is no need to click on send. So for you that you are still waiting for your YouTube approval, you will just have to click on send, and trust me, within some few hours you receive a notification that your YouTube channel has been approved to join in the YouTube partnership program. If you did this and it worked, come back to my channel and then drop a comment. Thank you for finding time to watch this video. Catch you up in the next video.